It is the 14th of December, 2023. This is WIKISPEED Stand-Up. Go ahead, Lauren.
Hey, this is Lauren Salter, Gabriel Island, British Columbia, Canada. The past week I was traveling. The only thing I'm in the process of doing is setting up something so we get the website revived. Coming week, I don't anticipate very much. I will try and get the meetup with Joe done so that we get that obstacle out of the way. And blocks are just recovering from a major trip. And that's about it. Back to you.
Okay, it is it's Michael Olchuk, Saskatoon, Canada. This past week, I didn't get nearly as much done as I was hoping to. I got the stand-up posted for last week. On the knitting machine project, I got my workbench cleared off, but I didn't actually get any work done on it. Clearing off the workbench was required, but it doesn't count as progress. The pump runtime monitor, I had another failure. A power cycle fixed it, but from what I'm reading, I have to implement the watchdog system. So there's a separate little chip on the ESP32 that uses the same power, but everything else seems to be kind of separate. So inside your program, you toggle an output every period of time. I'm going to pick like 100 milliseconds or something like that. And then the watchdog watches that. And if that output hasn't changed in some period of time, like a second maybe, the watchdog cycles power to the rest of the chip and your code starts again. So I didn't actually make any progress on the code, but that's, I think, what I'm going to be doing next week. And adding to the Trello projects, adding tasks to the backlog before I get them done hasn't progressed. Next week, I hope to meet with Joe about the WIKISPEED website when Lauren gets it arranged. I'm hoping to do a little bit of work on the knitting machine and my Polaris project and the pump runtime project. I've been hearing on a couple of webinars that you can get ChatGPT and the other AIs to generate fully formed websites for you with all the features that you're looking for. You just have to tell it what you want, and then it generates a website, and you test it, and then you modify your prompt a few times until it's exactly what you want. So you don't actually have to know how to code. You have to know what you want it to look like and how to craft the prompts. So I'm going to be watching a couple of how-to videos on that, and hopefully that will progress us when we get into the website. And blocks. It's before Christmas. There's not a lot of time. Everything else seems to take longer than it should. Oh, did my video looks like it went away? Can you see the video?
No, I can't.
Oh, excellent. Okay, let's turn it off and turn it back on again.
There you go.
I don't know where it went, but it went. Anyway, that's it for me. Back to you.
Okay, so I'm going to give myself a 3. I'll say a 7 for the team. And the process improvement, I'm going to skip that for this week. Back to you.
Okay, I got 1 out of 6 done for my progress, and 1 for stand-up is a 3 for me as well, and I'll go 7 for the team as well. The process improvement, I guess it's not really a process improvement. It's after we get the website up and running again, we got to reconnect with the WIKISPEED mailing list and let everybody know that the website's going again. but of course it has to work before then. So that about wraps it up for stand-up. Is there anything you want to talk about on Crosstalk that's recorded?
No.
Okay, we will shut her down.